Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications. Scroll down, choose Notifications and select See All from last 7 days. Now tap on one of your apps, for example Google Play Store, and click on the switcher next to Show Notifications. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now off, but you can always turn them back on by clicking at the same switcher. You can also go back and click on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!